Today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to find out whether this device provides us with a fingerprint scanner. So to begin with, let's see whether the sensor is located anywhere at the screen. Or not at the screen, excuse me, at the frame of the device. So apparently there are no space designated for the fingerprint scanner, but sometimes it can be located at the fingerprint, or excuse me, at the side power key or underneath the display. So in order to be 100% sure, we will open settings, enter the password and security, and as you can see, unfortunately we do not have the fingerprint recognition or fingerprint ID or fingerprint unlock option over here, only the face unlock, which effectively 100% proves the fact that there are no fingerprint scanner on this tablet. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.